Good afternoon, Bob from Trade Genius here, and it's the 16th of March. Happy St. Patty's Day, and it was a very interesting day. In some ways, not surprising because the Fed usually chickens out, but we just were not sure what the market would do, and it gave us some early indications that it may roll over. So last night, when I did my post yesterday, we were in this range, and I said, hey, we fall out of this triangle, this ascending wedge, it's going to fail, and we should go short. And if it goes up above here, we're getting a blowout, and we'll have a bit of a run, but then that'll ultimately fail as well. But what happened was, overnight, they tested the bottom of the wedge and successfully defended it, and then they did it again and successfully defended it, and then the market popped back into the wedge. So now we have to assume, because my other indicators turned up and the Fed has stayed relatively dovish, that we're going for this big line here. So I'm looking for a move to here or to here as the next step for the market. However, it's still Fed week. They may bounce back down into here before it goes back up. And I wouldn't consider the market a failure unless it gets down to this failure zone here and makes a lower low outside of the wedge. If not, we got to go with the direction, and that direction is up. And how I played it is, I have some SPY calls, but I also did a purchase of, here, let me turn this off for a second so I can change my page. I also went ahead and bought some Labu position in. I bought it at 561. Went down. It made a lower low than here, just barely, and pushed back up. And so I'm watching that. I don't think this market can have another bull leg without biotech participating. Now, could be a bull trap, but I'm running with it right now. I'm in at 561. I have a stop in the 530 area, and I'll move that up tomorrow if we get some more activity. And my signals both crossed. I got a buy signal here, and I got a buy signal here. Double confirmation to me. And if this thing makes a higher high before this rolls over, then I think we're going to be able to trade this up. If not, then I think biotech's in big trouble, and we'll be working it from the short side. And I think that's pretty much only one other thing I want to show you if I can is I didn't get a chance to trade it. It was just too fast for me, and I went ahead and I traded. I watched gold, and gold was being tricky. Even though I had buy signals on it, you just don't want to get in front of the Fed on these moves, and I just don't like to risk it. It's just guessing, and sometimes they set you up like that. But man, when they announced, that thing just popped, and some people made some really good money today. I unfortunately was not one of them, but what it confirms to me is that I think gold's in a bull market again. And when I get another buy signal on my indicators, I'll be back in there buying again. And the way my signals work, because I trade on the hourly, is I'll be getting these signals probably another buy signal, probably another week to 10 days, and then run it up again. If I miss the move, I miss the move. There's a billion stocks out there to buy. No sense focusing on one thing and getting hung up on it. Anyway, stop back tomorrow. We're making money every day, and so it's just been we've just had a great run this year. This volatility is fantastic. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.